Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode we will be learning how to delete your Hay Day account. If you want to delete your Hay Day account and say bye-bye to Hay Day, then first of all launch the Hay Day game on your mobile device and then tap on the menu button at the top left corner of the screen. Now click on the settings button. From the settings menu, click on Advanced Settings. Under Advanced Settings, scroll all the way down until you see the Delete Account button. Click on the Delete Account button and then you'll be guided through how you can delete your data and your account. Go through the information. You will be able to see the Delete My Data button after you tap on that. This will lead to the permanent closure and deletion of the game account, which includes all in-game currency and progress, whether paid or not. Tap on the Delete My Data button to proceed further, and this will take you to Hay Day support. Select one of your problems from the list. In this case, we are trying to delete the data, so let's go ahead and tap on Request or Delete My Data option. Now click on Delete My Data and then you'll receive support immediately from Supercell Automated Support. You can then go ahead and click on Delete My Data once again, but if you'd like to request your data before deletion, tap on Request My Data, and once you have your data with you, you can tap on Delete My Data button. Now you'll need to confirm once again, since deleting data will permanently erase your account, game progress, and paid and free in-game resources. So make sure to confirm once again by tapping on Do you want to delete this game? And then click on I agree to delete my data if you want to delete your account. Keep in mind that you won't be able to play any account of this game on this device for 30 days while the GDPR deletion is taking place. Once you tap on I agree to delete my data, you will be able to delete your Hay Day account permanently. You can now go ahead and uninstall the application from your device, and that's it. Your account will be deleted permanently. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you delete your Hay Day account safely and correctly, please like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.